Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. I'm Nuria. In this video I'm going to teach you how to create a drop down menu using Bootstrap. Let's dive in. Okay, the first thing I will create a button. So this is a button containing a list of skills. Drop down menu is the class for the list of links. The class for this is going to be drop down item. For example, software development. Let's add 3-4 more links here. Okay, this one web development, skating, and here painting, cooking. Okay, so I will add one more here for the coloring. Drop down menu dark. This will give it a dark color to the drop down menu. Okay, we are done, so let's run this and see how it looks like now. Alright, here is the drop down menu, and when we click you can see the list of links. If you found this video tutorial helpful, for more like this, click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.